TikTok content creator is cashing in on a wild new trend: AI-generated videos of dogs cooking. This rising creator has already gained over 91,000 followers in a short time, with their AI-powered pug chef whipping up millions of views. The best part? This niche is still undiscovered on both TikTok and YouTube Shorts, meaning there's a massive opportunity for new creators to take over. If you jump in now, you could be one of the first to dominate this trend and earn thousands from the TikTok Rewards program and YouTube Shorts. The question is, will you take advantage before everyone else does? In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to create your own AI-generated dog cooking videos. You'll learn how to get the perfect prompt to make your dog the star chef. Plus, I'll show you how to tweak the prompts to include different dog breeds or even other pets. I'll walk you through how to generate the images, animate them, and bring everything together using CapCut to edit your video like a pro. Plus, I've got an already made prompt template that'll help you generate amazing images, just like I did in the video. Want it? Drop a comment below and I'll send it right over to you. So if you've ever wanted to cash in on the next big trend, now's your chance to let AI do the cooking and start creating. First, grab the prompt template and copy the pre-made prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will whip up detailed image prompts for you. It's super quick and easy. Want to get a little creative? You can even tweak the prompt by swapping pug with your favorite dog breed, maybe a golden retriever cooking up a feast. Once you have your image prompts ready, it's time to bring them to life with PicLumen AI. Head over to the PicLumen AI website and sign up for free with your Google Mail if it's your first time. Click Launch App if you are a returning user. Returning users can easily log in with Google or Apple. Once you're in, hit Create, choose Model, and go for Flux-Schnell for the best results. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Set the number of images you want per session, and you're good to go. Now copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into PicLumen AI. Hit Submit and watch as PicLumen generates stunning images based on your prompt. Review your images, and if you're happy with the results, keep them consistent by using the same details across all your images. To do this, click on the first image, copy its seed number, click Advanced Settings, click on Fixed, and paste it into the space provided. Then, repeat the process for each prompt to create a cohesive, eye-catching set of images. Click on the Download button to download your image. Keep generating the rest of your images until you have everything you need. Once done, download them and watch your scene come to life like magic. Watch me generate the other images for our videos. If the images aren't quite right, don't worry, it's all part of the process. AI tools might take a little trial and error, but with some tweaks, you'll get the perfect result. Now comes the fun part, turning your images into an engaging video using Hilo AI. This is where your creative masterpiece really starts to shine. Next, head over to Google, search for Hilo AI. Click on the first result to take you to the Hilo AI website. Sign in or sign up for free with Google, and click Try Now to get started. Once you're in, on the left, click on Create. Click on Image to Video. Set the model to i2v01 Live. Upload your first image and copy the prompt you used for the image in Lumen AI. Paste it into Hilo AI. Hit Generate and let the magic happen. Free users can generate up to 3 images at a time, while premium users can queue up to 5. Follow these steps for each image to turn them into stunning videos. Once you're done, you can download your videos straight to your device. If the videos aren't quite perfect, don't worry. Just tweak and regenerate them until they look exactly how you want. Keep fine-tuning until you're happy with the result. Now, relax and watch me generate the rest of the videos. Finally, it's time to bring everything together in CapCut. Open the app, import all your video clips. Drag your video clips onto the timeline and trim them to 3 to 5 seconds each. This keeps your audience hooked and the pace fast. Make sure everything aligns perfectly to flow smoothly. Now, let's add some extra flair. Head over to Pixabay to download a suitable background clip and sound effects that match your video. Once you've got your music and sound effects, import them to CapCut. Add the sound effects to the appropriate video clip. Add the background sound and reduce the volume. Now, to really make your video pop, add transitions like the sleek black fade for a polished touch. Fine-tune the sound effects and background music so everything is balanced. Apply the clear filter for that smooth, professional finish, and then export your masterpiece. With everything perfectly aligned, you'll have a high-quality, engaging video ready to impress on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Let's see the final result. With everything we've covered today, you're now ready to create your very own dog cooking videos. Whether this turns into your next viral hit or the start of an exciting creative journey, the possibilities are endless. Did you enjoy this tutorial? Drop a comment below and let me know how it went for you. And if you're looking to take your videos to the next level, check out this video to learn how to get realistic AI voiceovers for your content. Let's keep making awesome videos together.